How to fix TikTok Live Studio access not available. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, you will have to complete all the requirements in order to get TikTok Live Studio, like 1000 followers if you are a gaming creator and you are using the Live Studio in US. And if you are outside US, you would require at least 1000 followers as well. But if you are not a gaming creator, then you would require at least 10,000 followers in order to access the Live Studio. So make sure that you follow all these criterias, and also there are some other criterias as well. And after that, you would be getting the Live Studio access. There are sometimes some other problems as well, like if TikTok is not available in your country or region, then there might be some problem with it. And also TikTok Live Studio is not available due to some conditions at some moments. So it might be just a temporary unavailability, and after that you should be working quite fine with TikTok Live Studio. So just simply follow all the terms and conditions of TikTok and you should be fine with Live Studio. And in case if the problem is still there, you can simply report this problem by going into the settings and privacy of your TikTok, and there just submit the report that you are facing this particular problem, and this way you would be getting the solution. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.